Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Venmo to Apple Pay. So first, if you're looking for an inside interface tutorial, this is not the video for you. I cannot log into Venmo at the moment because I'm outside the US. I truly apologize. For the rest, if you want to transfer money from your Venmo to Apple Pay, what you will need to do is simple. So how to add Venmo to your, as example, to your iPhone so you can start paying with it. So you can first of all apply for a Venmo debit card or credit card. Very easy to do. All you need, of course, you will apply for it. They will ask you for some of your information. You will need to provide all the informations that they ask you. Of course, if you want to know the exact steps on how to apply for a credit card or debit card, I've already made a video about it. You can go and check it out. So once you applied for that, you can go to cards normally. As you can see, you'll find this here at the bottom. Click on cards, and then you can click on the card that you want to link to Apple Pay. And of course, once you find, if you have multiple cards, you can click on the card that you want to link specifically. It can be even a virtual card, doesn't have to be like physical, because once you create like your Venmo account, it comes with a virtual card as well. So you can click on the card that you want, enter the card details in Apple Pay, and wait for verification. So as simple as that. So as example, you can on Venmo, you can click on get Venmo card, then go to wallet on Apple Pay, click on plus button, debit or credit card, and start adding your Venmo card informations. And simply, once you're done, you should be good to go. Of course, you can even go here to like Venmo, click on settings, go to payment methods. Of course, you'll find settings if you click on the Me button on the bottom right, the settings at the top right, click on payments method, click on add bank or card account, and simply you can start here adding your bank account if you want to connect another bank account to Venmo to send like money from the bank account to Venmo or from Venmo to the bank account. And you can do the same and add simply your Apple Pay cash to Venmo there. And you can start even sending money to it. Of course, you can go to your Apple Pay or card, click on card details, and you get all the details that you want so you can add it to Venmo. And that should be it. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.